encapsulate it. Wrong, man. Holy shit. Oh my god. Let's have another fire. And I've had 10 beers. Get that on Facebook. Oh shit. Dude, film it.
I'm filming.
No, bring it back.
Oh shit! Oh my god!
Shit! It's awesome. Come on.
I got it.
You got it? Alright,
yeah.
so. Went up straight. Dude, that's on fire. Dude, we got the breast on fire. That's on fire, dude. I'll stamp it out. Fuck you all. Holy shit. Fuck you, fire! Whoa!
There's another one over there.
That's what happens to fires when they fuck your shit, hey. Oh man, I can be a fucking firefighter. Woo! I serve the public.
I think I get some credit.
Yes,
I filmed it.
Brooke, over here. Look at that shit. We have another fire. Dude, you wanna get the fuck out of here? Yeah.
Hi, Brooklyn. Brooklyn. He's insane.